Have you ever tried to record a video but just totally blanked on what to say?
You're lying, George.
Or maybe you stared off the screen awkwardly because you forgot your next line. Or maybe you nailed the intro but you messed up halfway through and ended up having to re-record that same bit 17 times.
God f***ing damn it!
Well, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best free teleprompter apps for YouTube. Yep, totally free, no hardware needed. And I'm going to show you how to use it step by step so you can deliver smoothly, confidently, and without having to memorize a single word.
Good.
Hi, my name's Steve from entrepreneurnut.com, and on this channel, I share tips, tools, and strategies to help you work smarter, not harder. Now, let's get into the video. Now, before we dive in, you might be wondering, is this just another free teleprompter app that you actually have to pay for after a 14-day trial? Don't worry, let me show you why this teleprompter app is actually a decent free option that's actually worth your time. So this teleprompter app is called Hippo Video, and you can get access to the free version of Hippo Video via the link in the description below this video. As we can see right here, the free plan of Hippo Video allows you to use the teleprompter as well as using their software on your desktop or mobile device. So for mobile, you can use it both on an Android phone or an Apple phone. You can integrate your account with Gmail or Outlook if you want to send your videos via email to anybody. It also integrates with LinkedIn as well as Facebook, Shopify and YouTube. So if you want to, you can publish your videos directly from Hippo Video to YouTube if you want to, or you can just download them to your device and then upload to YouTube later or anywhere else. For example, if you want to publish your videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels. And that aside, you can also, with a free plan, use 2 different sales page templates if you wanted to do that. For example, if you're recording your video as a sales video that you want to use to help you sell a product. Okay, sounds good, right? But how do we actually get your script into Hippo Video and activate the teleprompter feature? Well, it's really simple. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so first of all, click this button right here to sign up for a free account. And then on this page, enter your email address, create a password, and click this button here to sign up for free. And once you log into your Hippo Video account, you'll see something that looks like this. Now, if you're using a free plan, you won't see quite as many features. But on the paid plan, you get additional things like the ability to create AI avatar videos, advanced video flows, personalized backgrounds for your videos, and a few other things. But anyway, I'm just going to show you in this video how to use the free teleprompter feature. So in order to find that, what you need to do is come over to the left sidebar menu right here, and you scroll down to this one, which is the HV Studio, and we'll see the teleprompter scripts right here. Click on the teleprompter scripts. So first of all, we need to load our teleprompter script into Hippo Video before we record our video. You'll see a list of all your previous scripts right here. And then to add a new script, come to the top right and click on Create New Script. If you have a paid account with Hippo Video, you can use their AI script generator to generate your script for you. Otherwise, if you're using the free plan, then you just paste your script right down here. So just for speed, I'm just going to come to this article right here and take a bit of this content just as a demo to show you guys. So let's pretend this is my script. I'm going to drop that into the script section right here, then come up to the top and name my script, and then click save. And now we'll see our scripts right here at the top. Okay, so now your script's ready. Let's switch over to recording and actually use the teleprompter. So we're still in the script section right here, and what we need to do is come back to the left sidebar menu and come back to get started, come back to your dashboard. Then we need to come up to the top right and click on the button to create. And now here we can choose what type of video we want to create. For example, if you just wanted to record your camera only, so essentially a headshot video, or if you want to record your screen and yourself at the same time, or screen only. Or we've also got more business related type videos down here, like creating videos for prospecting or business proposals and so on. So I'm just going to keep it to camera only. So first of all here now, I've got to allow Hippo Video access to your webcam and microphone. Hippo Video shows you right here exactly how to do that. And then your webcam and microphone will be activated inside of Hippo Video, and you can double check that down in the settings cog right here. Or you can click from the drop down and select a different camera or different mic if you want to. Then down the bottom left down here, we also have a little lighting monitoring section where Hippo Video will tell you how good your lighting is for your video. Anyway, in order to use the teleprompter, we need to toggle on the bottom right here, toggle on the teleprompter. And now, in order to first select the correct teleprompter, you need to come up to the top right where it says Change Script. And now here we'll see a list of all our teleprompter scripts that we've already got set up here. And the one I did for this video is this top one called Demo Script. So I click on this. And now at the top here, we'll see we've got more options where first of all here I can adjust the text size. I can toggle that across, make that a bit bigger, and also space the lines out a bit more as well to make it a bit easier to read. Then when you get it just how you want it, make that a little bit bigger. I can then also come to the left toggle right here and adjust the scroll speed. So if I bring this across, we'll now start to see the script moving. I don't want it moving too fast, otherwise it'll sound like I'm auditioning for an auction. And then anyway, when you're ready, you click on the record button down the bottom here, and you'll start recording inside of Hippo Video with the teleprompter screen activated. And then once you finish reading your script, of course, just click the big red button to stop recording. Okay, quick pause here. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share step-by-step guides on how to simplify the tech side of your business to help you be more productive, how to actually use AI and other smart tools the right way, and how to turn those tools into systems that can potentially bring in more revenue. So if that sounds good to you, then I'd love you to be a subscriber so you don't miss what comes next. Now, once your video is saved, you've got multiple options in here. For example, in the bottom left below our video right here, we can add a thumbnail. So you can create your own thumbnail and upload it right here. Or this option right here is the virtual background. This, I believe, will be on the paid plan, not on the free plan. But here, for example, you can add your LinkedIn background or your website background or any of these virtual backgrounds, or upload your own image to use as a background. So for example, if I click this one, click apply, this is just going to take a little moment. In Hippo Video now, it's applying this background to my video. So now if I click the play button, the background should be changed. Let's go turn the sound off there and we can see this nice background already applied to our video. Now, you also get access to a quick editor as well as a more advanced editor inside of Hippo Video. But bear in mind, even the advanced editor, well, it is pretty good. It's no way as advanced as something like Descript. That said, it's certainly enough for doing things like trimming your videos, adding captions, adding B-roll footage, adding music, adding text, and all kinds of things like that. And now also what I particularly like about Hippo Video's editor is that you can also add interactive call to actions, be it text or an image actually inside your video that's clickable. And you can link that to an external URL. For example, if you wanted to send your viewers to another web page where you might be selling a product, you can make that clickable link actually inside the video, which is pretty powerful. But bear in mind, if you're then uploading this video to a platform like YouTube, those clickable elements likely won't work via YouTube, but they will work if you're embedding your video onto one of Hippo Video's landing pages to display your video from there, and you get 2 free landing pages in the free plan.
Excellent, excellent.
Then once you're happy with your video, you've got multiple options in order to share the video. So clicking the share button right here, you can either send it to somebody in an email, and you can just connect Hippo Video with your email account right here. Or you can also get this embed button. And now here we have the options to share it directly on Facebook, Twitter, of course, which is now X, Google Classroom or Zendesk. And under export, we can publish it directly to YouTube as well as Facebook and Shopify. And we also have the embed code right here too, if you want to embed this video onto a page on your website. Now, all that said, if you prefer to download the video to your computer and then edit it in a tool like Descript, for example, instead of using Hippo Video's editor, then all you need to do is come to the dots menu in the top of your video right here, and then you'll see the option to download this video to your computer. You'll then be able to upload that video either directly to YouTube from there if you want, or if you want to use a more advanced editor like Descript, like I mentioned, so you could also edit your videos ready for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. So if you want to use Hippo Video's Teleprompter app from your mobile phone, then you can absolutely do so, regardless if you're using an Android device or an Apple phone.
Sweet.
What you then need to do is first open a free account with Hippo Video, and you can do that via the link in the description below this video, and then go to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and download the app. Or if you're on an Apple phone, then go to Apple's App Store, download the Hippo Video app for your phone, and then you'll be able to use Hippo Video's Teleprompter directly from your mobile phone. Now, Hippo Video also has a handy Google Chrome extension, which I cover in this video right here, along with 9 other awesome Google Chrome extensions for productivity that can literally save you hours every week. So click this video next and I'll see you there.